Hello. Hello. Right, this is just going to be a quick video, guys. You know I live in a squatter area, don't you? Right, so all the houses around here, some of them I don't think you can say the houses, but they own the buildings, but they don't own the land. There's a landlord, they've got to pay monthly ground rent, and that's all I pay to stay here is the ground rent. I don't pay any rent to a mum and dad for the house we live in, because I'm family, okay? So what I want to show you is this. You can see all the little flags up and stuff, and this is normally the basketball court. Now when the flood come, hello sweetheart, thank you.
I'm happy.
You're happy for tonight,
Yes,
because you're going to be playing games and stuff. Wow, look how big they are, guys. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So tonight they're going to be on here. I'm going to show you it. Hello. I'm going to show you. The kids are so excited. They're going to, what normally happens is the kids get sponsored to play games, and whoever wins the game, the adults, you know, give them a few pesos. It's not much, you know, 50, 100, maybe 200 pesos. So they'll be playing games later, and they're ever so excited about it, as you can see. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. So can you just tell my subscribers, Mel, what this is mostly about?
We call it Santa Cruzan.
You call it what, sir?
Santa Cruzan.
Santa Cruzan.
It's all about religious.
It's religious, but like, this is every year, isn't it?
Yeah,
Here.
this is our place. This is our like what do you call that? A tradition.
It's
here.
a tradition
Because when
here.
because when I was a kid, we doing this. So because I remember when I'm aged like Sophia, we doing that here. So when Sophia grow it, she will be participate on this one as well.
But doing a little bit of research, I found out that this doesn't happen in all parts of the Philippines. No. It happens in some other parts, but not many parts.
And it's like Reina Elena.
Reina Elena.
You know the girl with have a gown.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what they doing there on the road. They having a parade. It's
Right.
about religious, Catholic religious.
Right. This religious ceremony thing went on for like 9 days, didn't it?
Yes, 9
and,
days.
And,
Then after they walking around.
With the floats and different things, and walking around with the crosses.
Yeah, after that, all the neighbor participate as well. They just the organizer, they combine them like four member contribution for the foods.
Yeah.
You see that. That's
Well, I contributed a bit towards the foods, didn't I?
Like that.
Yeah.
Every neighbor they contribute for the foods.
So again, just to reiterate, the games tonight.
Yes, it's
people like me.
It's a 9 days today.
We're going to contribute so the kids win something for playing the games.
If you want to sponsor for the games.
No, I don't, because I'm curry pot.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, thanks.
That's it.
That's it.
Bye, guys.
Right, they've got to flick this lemon after they're supposedly dizzy. It's not worked so far. No. The lady there to the left, who's got a red top on, she's involved in everything. She's always involved. She puts a load of effort into it. I should know her name, but I don't. Then we've got Tintin. I've never seen her putting effort in. The young lady in the black. There, look. She puts a lot of effort in. Has put a lot of effort in today. Don't ask me what the tying to his trousers. But I think it's an eggplant. No, I don't think it is an eggplant. Right, they've got a bottle top on the. Oh, sorry. They've got a bottle top on the floor, and they're trying to get it to the other side. The first one to get it to the other side. Matthew's doing well. My son, look. They get money. My son's doing well. He's in the lead. Hey! Go on, Matthew! Come on! Well, first they started with them on the feet, you know, like we used to do as kids, and now they put them on the heads. Mal, you want one of these? No, she don't want. She don't want. You don't want. I ain't got a clue what they're supposed to do, to be honest. I've been asking and I'm no wiser. I have no idea what they're doing. Oh, they've got to go around these, go back, then the next one does it, go around these, go back, and of course the last one to finish first. It's so exciting. Okay, there's coins in the flower, and they've got to put their face in and try and pull them out, I guess, with the mouth.
Abo mo. O, dali ka na dyan magpano. Iba na lang, iba. Dali na. Kabilang kita 5. Dali na. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Ayupon mo.
4, 5.
Bayo.
I don't think it works.
Picture.
I don't think it works. It looks good, but I don't think he got anything for the effort he put in. This is Mel's sister's son. They look pretty scary, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bayo.
Oh, that's ridiculous. It's too much, that.
Balik.
5 pesos. Pia, did you get any money? No? Oh my God. I've tried to get Mel to go and do it. I've even offered her money, but she won't do it. She's just Matthew, did you get any money? Oh. Do you know what he's saving? I bought him a money box, and bless him, he literally, as far as I can tell, puts every penny in that money box, and then whatever he saves in a month, I treble it. So if he saves 100, I give him a 200. He's got 1,300 pesos at the moment. Yeah, no. She unfortunately won't save. I've tried, but she just takes the money out. This is called Saragon. Now this is all part of this 9-day religious, don't know what to call it, ceremony, whatever it is. There's my babies and Kelly. Now, after that, they're gonna come back to the basketball and they're gonna get lots of food. It's varied over the 9 days, but for 9 days they've had food. But today, unfortunately, is the last day they're going to have food, because all the poor kids, especially the ones behind where we are, they come and get macaroni and soup and whatever it is on that particular day. Today's the last day, so from now on they'll not get anything. Why am I laughing? I don't mean to, oh, they're not going to get anything, you know, it's just, I don't know. But I'm going to show you that, and then that's going to be it. Right, the kids are eating lumi. Your wife, if you're married to a Filipino, probably knows what's in it, but it just looks like noodles to me with other stuff in it. Now this is the last time the kids are going to be fed. Like I said earlier, it's 9 days and today's day 9. So this is it. They're not going to get any lumi or noodles or whatever they've had before, which is a shame. I hope you can see. It's not very light, guys. So that's it. Let's have a quick look over here where it's a bit lighter. So that's it for another year. So don't forget, guys, please support the channel by subscribing if you're not already, hitting that like button. Please always leave a message, even if it just says comment. I'm being serious. And hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.